Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check saved stories on the My Little Pony Story Creator application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. This is the first screen, and you can find three options: the friendship stories, create a story, and the saved stories. You go to the third option, the saved stories, and if you have any saved stories, you can check that, you can edit, you can delete that, and just if you want to check, just click that, and this is the saved story, for example.
Twilight Sparkle, the princess of friendship.
So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.